In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your voice sound clear in Audacity using just a few simple steps. Whether you're a podcaster, a YouTuber, or just someone who wants their voiceover to have that professional quality, this guide will help you out. The first thing you need to do is open Audacity and either create your voiceover or record fresh audio. Once you've got your recording in place, it's a good idea to listen to it before diving into any edits. This will give you a sense of what areas need improvement. One of the easiest ways to enhance your audio is by cutting out any silent parts. These pauses can distract listeners and affect the flow of your content. To remove these sections, highlight the area you want to cut and simply press Ctrl and X on your keyboard. It's a quick and efficient way to clean up your track. After tidying up the audio, double-click on your track to highlight it fully. Head over to the Effects menu, navigate to Volume and Compression, and select Normalize. I recommend using my settings here to ensure consistency and balance across your project. Click Apply and you'll notice an immediate improvement in volume balance. Next, let's work on enhancing the clarity of your voice. Again, go to Effects, then EQ and Filters, and choose Filter Curve EQ. Under the Presets and Settings tab, you'll find Factory Presets. Select the treble boost option from there. This will sharpen the high frequencies and bring out the clarity in your voice. We're going to repeat a similar process to manage the lower frequencies. Head back to Filter Curve EQ, select Factory Presets again, and this time choose Low Roll-Off for Speech. This step helps reduce unnecessary low frequencies that can muddy your audio. And while we're at it, why not add a bit of richness to your voice? Do it one more time, but this go around, select Bass Boost. This will add some depth and warmth to the sound of your voice. Once that's done, let's balance those frequencies with one final touch in the EQ and Filters section. Choose Bass and Treble and make sure both settings are dialed to 5.0. Hit Apply and you'll find this creates a nice equilibrium between depth and clarity. Now to unify the sound levels, apply a compressor. This effect smooths out the volume by lowering the louder sections and amplifying the softer parts for an even listening experience. And to wrap it all up, utilize a limiter. This step is crucial to prevent clipping and ensure your audio remains crisp and clear throughout. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more editing tips and tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.